Hi friends, we are still going strong for Amazon Prime Day, so I thought today I would just very casually sit down and unbox my order with you guys. I just have one box here, so it shouldn't be too long, but I hope that you guys enjoy this. Let me know what you picked up from Prime Day this year, and I'll have everything that I talk about linked in the description box as well as in a pinned comment, or you can scan the QR code here on the screen. And let's just dive in. We only have one box, but it is a very big box and it's really heavy. Oh, and I also wanted to mention the necklace that I'm wearing is included in Prime Day. It's still on sale. It's from Bauble Bar. I think it's like 50 or 64% off, but it is so cute. It has your little initial here in gold, and then it has two other little necklaces attached. And this one up top is kind of like a tennis necklace. It's really gorgeous and for such an affordable price. So I'll link that too. Okay, first thing that I see in here is a piece of clothing, and I think this is actually a swimsuit cover up that I've been seeing everyone on Instagram wear, and it looks so adorable. So I wanted to try it for myself, and it's just like this really soft crochet kind of fabric, and it has like a print on it as well, almost like a palm tree print or some sort of like tropical flower, but you can actually like tie it in the center. That is probably how I will wear it, or you can, I think, like turn it around and tie it in the back. I don't know, you can wear it a couple different ways, whether you want to wear it like as an actual outfit or as a swimsuit cover up. And then here is the little matching skirt. So it's elastic up top, you have the exact same print on top of the crochet material, and this is so soft. Like, I am really impressed with this already. All right, next up we have a top from one of my favorite brands ever, which is CRZ Yoga. This is just a simple white top, something everyone could use honestly, but I really liked it because of the open back. I am the kind of person who loves to wear a matching set, like a sports bra and a pair of leggings, but I don't really like to go out in like just a sports bra. I'm not usually a tank top girly, so I love something like this because you can kind of still show off your matching sports bra without wearing a tank top or just the sports bra. And this is really soft. You honestly can't go wrong with anything from CRZ Yoga. Then we have a device for my phone. So this is a universal handlebar magnetic phone mount. Kind of random. A lot of people use this for the gym if they want to like film workout videos and stuff like that, but I got it because a lot of times I'll end up filming in my car and I could just use the mount that I have in the center, but sometimes I kind of want to mount my phone to my steering wheel and I didn't really have a good way to do that. So this is going to allow me to strap it right to my steering wheel, or really any sort of round bar shaped item, like anything in the gym, of course, and then your phone will just attach right there, which is going to be great because then I can easily film and it's like face to face, perfect angle. I was like, what is in this little teeny tiny bag? But I actually think it's a pair of underwear. And yes, it's just one pair of underwear, but I kind of wanted to just try one of them before I went and got like a 3-pack. But this is by the brand Oeak. O-E-A-K. I have no idea how they want me to pronounce that. But yeah, these look very comfortable, super stretchy, and they have this really thick part here in the center. This feels so weird to be showing you, but it is supposed to be like anti-camel toe underwear. So if you're wearing a pair of leggings and they're constantly like riding all up in your crevices, these are supposed to help with that. And I could always use that. So got those. That felt like TMI, but anyways, we're all girls here. Then I got a pair of sweatpants. This is another one that I see everywhere on social media and they look so cute on everyone else. So I wanted to try them out for myself. I just got mine in the hot pink and they kind of remind me of Free People. Like, they're very bright, but they have the contrast stitching that almost looks like they're inside out, but they're not. And these are kind of like a barrel leg design. So they get a little bit skinnier towards the bottom, but they barrel out at your knees and they look so comfortable. They have pockets in the front and they even have pockets on the back as well. Just such a cool looking pair of sweatpants. I honestly could wear this with the little CRZ Yoga top with a little pink sports bra. I think that would be a really fun lounge outfit. We have a little shower cap inside. This is from the brand Kitsch, which is one of my favorites. I actually have one of their shower caps already, but I believe these might be new. I don't know. I've had my shower cap from them for years at this point, but honestly it still works great, so I never really considered getting another one. But they do have these that are actually lined with satin, and that kind of intrigued me because it's just a lot better for your hair. I'm a little nervous though because I'm like, satin, and if it gets wet, I don't know how that's gonna do. So I will keep you guys posted on this, but I did want to try it out. What is going on here? Huh? It's like open here. I'm confused. It is a flexi shower cap. Oh, Oh, so you pull it over your head, kind of like a spa headband, and then you close it by opening the rolling part and rolling the rod like down towards your head and then like twisting it up. Interesting. Is this supposed to like preserve your hairstyle? I don't know, but I'm gonna have to test this out and report back. So yeah, it has like this rod here that I guess you're supposed to like roll down and then kind of like bend inwards like that. But then this part down here is obviously really flexible, and like I said, it has a satin material on the inside. I'm interested. Apparently I didn't even know what I was buying, but that is even cooler than what I thought I was buying, so that's great. Okay, this is like the fourth one of these that I've purchased, and my husband would actually kill me, but this one seems better than all of the other ones we have. It is a sandwich cutter. So our daughter, like most kids, does not like the crust on her sandwiches, so we do try to cut it off. And like I said, I've tried a few different variations of the crust cutters, but this one looked really cool because you literally just like put it on there and clamp it together like a stamp. So it comes with this pink part here, which is the base, and then it comes with a few different shapes. The circle one is inside now. You just attach it on the inside, and then you're literally just gonna like slam this down, and it's gonna cut off the crust and make a fun shape. So it comes with the circle one, it also comes with a square one, and I liked this one because it even comes with a little heart version, which I know my daughter is going to really love. This is a viral product that I saw on Instagram and I wanted to try out for myself. It is the CKD Retino Collagen. It is a gua sha neck cream. So it's basically just a neck cream, but it's in a cool packaging that has like a roller little thing here at the bottom. So you squeeze the cream out, and as it's coming out, you can kind of roll it onto your neck and your jaw. And it's supposed to be good for anti-aging and reducing neck wrinkles, improving skin elasticity, moisturizing, all of that good stuff. Looks like we have another piece of clothing here. Oh, this is actually a little nightgown. I've been really into nightgowns lately, and just tank tops and just anything that's like cool to sleep in because it has been very hot where we live. And I actually already own this in the pink one, but I went back and got it in the black while it was on sale. These are really nice. Like, I love them. They're really stretchy, very comfortable. They're short sleeves, which I prefer. Like, I don't want anything that's like skimpy or sexy. I just want something that is basic and comfortable, and these are perfect. It's like the perfect length in my opinion. Then I got this product from Dove. It is their Serum Plus Radiance Oil Body Wash. I just wanted to try this because it kind of reminded me of the Sol de Janeiro shower oil body wash that I have that is really moisturizing, and it's kind of like a shower oil and body wash in one. Obviously the brand Dove is a lot more affordable, so I just kind of wanted to grab this to compare the two. And I really do love all of my Dove products, and this does smell good. It's very luxurious. It's kind of like a simple scent that's clean but fresh and almost like champagne. I don't know. It's like very yummy. Okay. Next up, it looks like we have a swimsuit. This is from the brand Kinson, and I actually just got a swimsuit from them a couple weeks ago that I fell in love with. It was like the brown one that was like really flattering. It kind of had like an illusion at your waist. I loved it so much that I went back and looked for more swimsuits from that brand because I was just like, that is like one of the most flattering swimsuits, especially from Amazon. And I saw this one that looked really flattering too. So I got this in light blue. It kind of like cinches at your waist here in the middle, but it does have a deeper V neckline. I love this color like right off the bat. That is so gorgeous. And then it kind of crosses in the back. So I'm excited to try this one on. It comes in a bunch of different colors. One of the things that I was really interested in trying out during Prime Day was the brand Beam. I've heard so many things about Beam. They do the Beam Glow, which is kind of like a hormone supplement for women. It's supposed to like give you energy, support your mood, all of that kind of stuff. And they also make Beam Dream. So this one is a nighttime blend, obviously to support better sleep. I could always use a little bit of help with my sleep. So I thought I would try this one out, and I did hear wonderful things as I was watching all of my Prime Day videos from other creators. A lot of them mentioned this and they said it tastes really good. So this one is the chocolate peanut butter flavor, but it has magnesium, L-theanine, melatonin, like all of that good stuff. And it's kind of like a little sweet treat that you can have before bed. I did also get the Beam Glow, but it hasn't been delivered yet, so I'll have to report back on that one. But I'm really excited to try the sleep version. This is a product that I have tried. My mom owns this, and whenever I use it of hers, I am just blown away with how smooth my hair looks. So it's by the brand Brazilian Blowout, which I actually didn't even even know they sold on Amazon, but they do. And this is the Daily Smoothing Serum. So you just put this in, I think like right after you get out of the shower. Yeah, to towel dried hair, and then you just style your hair as normal. And I'm telling you, your hair will be the smoothest it has ever been. Like my mom swears by this brand. She has the smoothing serum. She also has some sort of spray that you spray on your hair, and then she does use the shampoo and conditioner too. All of them are incredible. Whenever I'm with her, I'm like, can I get some of your serum, please, girl? And now I don't have to because I finally bought my own now that it was on sale. Okay, this is from the same brand that made the underwear I showed you, OEAK. And I feel like I cannot even go on social media without seeing one of their bras. Everyone is raving about their bras. I feel like I said that really weird, bras. I don't know why I said it like that, but anyways, they are everywhere and I wanted to try one out for myself. Can you tell I am just very easily influenced? It's so funny because you guys watch my videos and maybe are influenced by things I buy, but I am constantly watching other people's videos on Instagram and YouTube, and all of my purchases are always influenced as well. So this is like a little kind of triangle lounge bra. It's completely wireless, very stretchy, but it is supposed to have a lot more structure than other wireless bras. So I'm interested to try this out. So far, it feels really nice. Like the material is very thick, very stretchy. It does seem to have really nice removable bra pads inside. Obviously the straps are adjustable. It comes with a little extender here. Yeah, it looks very, very comfortable. It obviously comes in a lot of different colors, still on sale for Prime Day. So if you wanted to try it out too, now is a great time to do so. And I got the size medium. This is kind of boring, but we got a sheet set. We just needed a new sheet set for our bed. These are from CGK Linens. I don't know why I have such a hard time saying that, but I have purchased their sheets before. It's a really nice brand that's super affordable, but that you can actually count on when it comes to good quality. And we just got the basic white sheets. Let me know what color sheets you guys have on your bed. That sounds like such a weird question, but I'm always like, I don't know, what color do I get? Like, do I just get white so they can easily be cleaned, or do I get a fun color? I don't even know. Right now we have like a white and beige stripe, which is really cute, but I just kind of wanted to get something different. So we got the white set. Oh my gosh, this I'm so excited about. So this is a handbag from one of my favorite brands, JW Pay. I've talked about them so much. And I have been eyeing this bag literally since it first came out. Like it was on pre-sale. It was only available on their website. And I really had it in my cart for so long, but I just kind of forgot about it. And I was waiting until Prime Day. I was like, I'm going to check and see if it's on sale. If it is, I'm going to buy it. If not, maybe I'll never buy it. I don't know. But it was on sale. It's still a pretty pricey bag, but not really though. Actually, I say that and I'm like, it's really not when you compare it to like designer bags. It was $100, I think, on sale. It looks so pretty and it looks very similar to a lot of really high-end designer bags. This one reminds me of the really bedazzled Prada bags. That is immediately what came to mind when I saw this. And this one is in a gold color. If you guys watch my channel at all, you know I'm constantly wearing gold accessories, gold shoes, gold everything. And this is a bag that I know I will wear over and over and over again. I love the top handle. I love the little tag here. You have two little zippers here in the middle. I haven't completely opened it, but it does have a decent amount of space inside. And you even have a little crossbody strap if you wanted to wear it that way. I'm just obsessed. Like I said, I've been eyeing this for so long and I'm so excited to have her in my collection from JW Pay. I love their bedazzled bags. We have another beauty product. This is from Color Wow. It is their Pop and Lock High Gloss Finish, frizz control, and UV protectant. So I think this you can apply wet or dry, which is exactly why I liked it, because I have so many products that you apply to wet hair and half the time I forget to use them, or I just have a couple that I really go to and then I don't get to try anything else. But I liked that this one you could apply to dry hair. It says apply lightly to dry styled hair for a glossy shine. So that is what I am planning on doing with this product. I've really been looking for products that reduce frizz on dry hair. I have so many products that do that on wet hair, but if you guys have any recommendations, your best products for frizzy hair, let me know in the comment section. And I think the last product that we have in here and what was making the box so incredibly heavy is this pack of protein shakes. So these are from Premier Protein and they are in the caramel macchiato flavor. I do love a good pre-packaged protein shake. It's just easy and convenient, different, but a lot of times I'm really particular about the flavors I like, but I thought I would give these a try because they had amazing reviews. And I do love a good caramel macchiato. So these have 30 grams of protein, which is really good for me. And they actually have caffeine that equals 1 cup of coffee. So my plan with these is to have them in the morning as breakfast. I usually don't really eat breakfast, but I know it's good for me to start my day with protein. So I'm hoping these will make me a little bit better about at least getting something in my system. It'll give me protein, but it'll also give me caffeine. The best of both worlds. Speaking of coffee, I also have this glass tumbler from the brand Ember. This looks so cool. I cannot wait to try it out. It really is just like a simple tumbler, but the cool part about it is that you can actually change out the colors. So you can get these little kits that are like the cold tumbler accessories, and you can swap out this bottom piece. So I haven't obviously done it yet. Oh, I think it just slips right off like that. And then I guess you can swap out this too. So it's one glass tumbler, but you can make it look different depending on which accessory kit you get. And I love that because I do love to switch out whatever cup I'm using for the day. Not daily, but usually like, I don't know, once every couple weeks. So I got the green one, or you could even mix and match if you wanted to, but it comes with a little lid that I could swap out to have green. And then I also got, I think 3 colors. We have this coral color here, which is so fun for summertime. And then we also have the purple, which is really fun too. I absolutely love that one glass that you can kind of make different depending on your mood. And this is going to be like my go-to iced coffee glass. I love a good iced coffee, and this is perfect for that. And before I end the video, I did have a package arrive from one of my favorite brands on Amazon, which is Annabess. They make a lot of really cute clothes. I'm sure you've probably bought something from them before. They are one of like the big sellers, and they did send over a few pieces, so I thought I would share them. The first is the little set I'm wearing. I love this. This is another one that I see over and over and over again. It's kind of Free People inspired with the big stripes on it. It does have a zip up detail here in the center, and then it has matching shorts that you can't really see right now, but I love this. I will be wearing this all the time, especially on like a road trip. That is perfect. And then they also sent this sweatshirt, which is really oversized. I just got it in the dark brown color. I was kind of thinking more about fall when I picked this out because I think it'll be perfect thrown on with like a pair of leggings. It does have cuts on the side here, and it kind of has that like unfinished hemline look, which is again very Free People. And I actually got this one in a large, so I did size up in this one. It already is oversized, but I just wanted it to be even more oversized. So love that. I love the Annabess sweatshirts. I feel like it is one of their best products. And then also in dark brown, I got this little sweater t-shirt. These are so popular. I feel like they're going to be really popular even moving into fall, and the Nordstrom anniversary sale is coming up very soon. I feel like we're going to see a lot of sweaters like this, and I just wanted to grab this one kind of in advance to maybe do some comparisons because I have a feeling something like this is going to be an affordable look for less. Then we have a couple of summertime items. I've been wanting to try these pants from them forever. I actually mentioned them in one of my other Prime Day videos, but they're just really stretchy, flowy pants. So they have a completely elastic waistband at the top. Of course, you have pockets, and then they just flow out into a wide leg pant. Already, I can tell I'm gonna love these. They just feel so nice. Like they're not thin and uncomfortable. I've gotten a lot of pants from Amazon where they literally feel like paper, but these do not. They actually feel like a really nice pair of like linen material flowy pants. So I'm really excited about these, and they come in a ton of colors. I just got the beige. And then lastly, we have a swimsuit. Look how bright and fun this is. So it's kind of like a tankini. I've been seeing a ton of tankini style swimsuits this year. If you don't know what a tankini is, it's like a tank top with the matching bottom, and they really are a convenient style to wear, and I think they look really good too. Like they're some of the most flattering styles. So yeah, this one is just a neon pink. Like it's not even picking up on camera because it's so bright, and then it just has this fun little white trim on the top. So yeah, this is the top, and it does have some ruching on the sides here, which I always appreciate. And then here are the matching bottoms. So the bottoms are a little bit high-waisted. They don't look too cheeky, which I appreciate for sure. And again, they just have that same white trim. And that is it, you guys. I know this was a really casual, thrown together video, but I thought I would just share what I purchased myself. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Like I said, I'll have everything linked below, or you can scan the QR code. That'll take you straight to my Amazon storefront. And I hope you guys found some really good stuff this Prime Day. If you tried any of my recommendations, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you're not already, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. I'll have lots of new videos just like this one up very, very soon. And if you do stick around, I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye.